Here's how to edit ChatGPT images in Canva. Open Canva and click Uploads in the left sidebar. Then click Upload Files and select the image generated by ChatGPT. Click on the image and select Edit from the toolbar. Then click Magic Layers. Canva will analyze the image and identify separate elements, such as people, objects, background, and text. Click on the object you want to edit. You can also edit individual layers. You can move them to a different position, resize them, remove them, or adjust settings like brightness, contrast, blur, and more. That's how you can easily edit ChatGPT images in Canva.